a hanging planter. For this you will need a plastic bottle. Mark a rectangular shape like this and mark these holes and cut it with the help of the cutter. As you can see, there are 2 holes on both the sides. Here I painted it with blue color, and now I am using brown acrylic color to paint the branches. I am making some branches randomly here. You can make anything you want. I made 3 bottles like this for hanging. So here are the 3 bottles. One is with flowers and branches, and the third with leaves. Now take any rope like this and put it in the holes. Pull it out from both the holes and you will get something like this. Now put a wooden bead in it and secure it with a knot. It will look something like this. Repeat the same process to the second bottle. This is how it will look like. Now tie knots and put a wooden bead and then put your last bottle. And for hanging, tie a knot like this. And it's ready.